The renewed push by certain lawmakers to urgently resolve the motion for reconsideration on the impeachment of Sara Duterte is not about clarity, it is about pressure. When a legal process is repeatedly rushed to meet political deadlines, it ceases to be justice and becomes strategy. Courts are meant to deliberate, not to be coerced by timelines set by politicians with a predetermined outcome in mind. What is striking is the insistence on keeping impeachment on the table, despite the Supreme Court already declaring the original articles unconstitutional. Instead of respecting that ruling, some groups appear eager to bend procedures, rewrite rules, or force interpretations, anything to keep the issue alive. That persistence suggests not a search for truth, but an unwillingness to accept legal limits. The argument that public interest demands urgency rings hollow when the same voices ignore due process. Public interest is best served by fairness and evidence, not by shortcuts. Confidential funds have been audited, explained, and subjected to multiple layers of scrutiny, yet the calls continue, louder each time, as if repetition could substitute for proof. Even within the House, there is visible hesitation. Some lawmakers openly admit that rules may need to be changed depending on what the court says, an alarming admission that procedure is being treated as flexible, even negotiable. Law should not be retrofitted to serve political objectives. It should constrain them. Notably, these same lawmakers concede that there is no strong ground for impeachment against the president due to lack of affidavits and evidence. That honesty exposes the double standard at play. If evidence is the benchmark, then it must apply equally. You cannot demand impeachment for one official while admitting the evidentiary bar is unmet for another. The repeated targeting of the vice president despite judicial setbacks fuels public fatigue. Filipinos are tired of hearing accusations that go nowhere, complaints that collapse, and political theater dressed up as accountability. The Supreme Court's role is not to validate political impatience, but to uphold the Constitution. In the end, accountability thrives on evidence and restraint, not urgency manufactured by those who refuse to accept legal outcomes. True respect for democracy means letting institutions decide, even when the decision is not what political groups want to hear.